Hi, this is Meghnath. In this video, we're going to learn about finding sum of digits of a given number. Let's take for example, user enters this number and we want to find sum of digits of this. So that is 2 plus 5 plus 8. So that is equal to 15. So let's take for example, if the user enters 152, so the output should be 1 plus 5 plus 2, that is number 8, right? So we are going to write the logic to read a number from the user and to print sum of digits of it. Now this program looks a little bit similar to the Amstrad number program. In Amstrad number also what we have done is we got the individual digits and we added sum of cubes of them, but here it's a little simple. We just need to add the digits. Now let's see the logic. So I'm going to open MS Paint, and how we have to do this is, let's take for example the same number which I have given there. So I'm going to take the same number, so 258. So that's what we store in number yen. So we read this number and store it in number yen. So we will store it in number yen. And first what we will do is, to get the last number, we need to divide this with modulo 10. So any number, let's take, if you take a number and divide with modulo division of 10, that will give the remainder, which is 6. And if you write, let's take number 12. If you do modulo division with 10, that will give remainder 2. So modulo division will give the last number, so that we are going to use it. First we will do a modulo division and we will get the last number, and then so modulo division 10 we will get 8, and then we will divide the number with 10. So 258 by 10. So since this is an integer, so this will round it off to 25. So we will get, so this number will be removed now. And again we will do modulo division. So now we will get 5. Again we do by 10. Now we'll get 2. Again modulo division. So we will continue this process up to this number gets completely 0. Right? So we got 8, we got 5, we got 2, and then we will add those digits. So let's write the logic now and then we'll try to understand. Now I'm going to, and as always, you can use any editor of your choice. So I will be using Visual Studio Community Edition. You can use Turbo C editor or Dev C++ or any editor of your choice. So let's get started. And now, as always, the first step that we need to write is, so include stdio.h and include conio.h and void main. And then we need to, as always, I used to write here two things, other, and I'm going to write here my name. Now I'm going to write here email ID as well. And then we need to write the purpose. So I'm going to add comment and purpose. So I'm going to write here to read a number from user and print sum of digits. Right now, the first step I used to add here is, first thing is variable declaration, and then we used to write here read data from user, and the last one is we used to write here the logic, right? So now first thing I want to read the number from the user int yen, and I will try to reduce it, take the modulo of 10 and divide it and take the modulo of 10. So I need another variable to store the value of yen temporarily so that I can use that inside a loop, right? And I need I value for looping purpose, and then I need another value for result. So result is equal to 0. I initialized it, result is 0 now. So let's get started now. Let's read. So if we need any other variables, we'll add it later. And for now, let's proceed further. And I'm going to write here printf enter any number, and I'm going to write here scanf for integer %d, and I'm going to write here ampersand n. Now what we will do is, now we're going to, so we read the value from the user, and let's start with the actual logic. So first step is take a backup of input into yen, and now let's write this while yen or while yum greater than 0. So why we are doing this m greater than 0 is in MS Paint we have seen that we need to continue this logic. Now this is yum. So 258 is yum, and now it becomes 25 is yum, and 2 is the m value, and after this if we divide with 10, so that will become 0. So as long as this m value reaches 0, continue this process of getting the last value and dividing it with 10, getting the last value and dividing with 10, right? So now what we have to do here is, so I need to put one more variable for a reminder. So I'm going to put a reminder. So what do I need to write here? Reminder is equal to yum modulo 10, and yum is equal to yum by 10. Now here we got the value. If you take this 253, so m modulo 10, so here we'll get the 3 value. So reminder will have 3 value, m by 10 m value, so m value now becomes 25. Now what we have to do is we need to add this reminder to the sum. So I'm going to write here result is equal to reminder. That's it. So reminder, so already we will have result plus reminder, because we need to add the consecutive numbers. So result I initialize to 0. You can see here I initialize to 0. Now what I need to do here is I need to print this result, right? So this will be the sum of digits, right? Now what I'm going to do right here is printf sum of digits of %d is %d, and in case of first %d I need to print n value, in case of second %d I need to print result value, and last we need to add get ch. Okay, so that's it. We are done with the program, and let's try to execute this and let's see if it works or not. So I'm going to execute this program. And you can see here I'm going to write the number 253. So ideally we should get the answer as 10. So we got sum of digits of 253 is 10. So the logic is working fine. So we notice here that there is one unnecessary variable. So let's remove this variable I, which we don't need it because we have used a while loop. Now let's run this once again and let's check for another number for 999. So we got sum of digits is 27, so that means it's working fine. So this is the logic that we have to write to print sum of digits of a given number. So hope you are clear with this. So thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more videos. And do remember to add comments. Thank you.